Hello, Agent Blazers. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce. Today, I'm going to showcase a use case with Majesty Logistics, a fictional small business specializing in stuffed teddy bears. With the holiday season approaching, they needed a way to predict truckload costs using their existing Einstein AI model and data cloud, but faced challenges due to limited technical expertise. In this demo, you'll see how they leverage Agentforce and Experience Cloud in a four-step process to seamlessly connect their tools, transforming historical data and predictive insights from Data Cloud and knowledge articles into actionable cost forecasts accessible through their user-friendly portal. Take it away, Team Infinity and beyond.
So how does this look in action? To start, the employee would go to their company website and log in. From there, the employee will be able to interface with the agent. First, in our demo, the employee asked the agent what their recommended margin of error it was from their company's predictive analysis paper. From there, the agent was able to say 15%, which was what was included on the paper. Then the employee asks what the previous 4 years of cost per truckload were for the previous quarters. The agent was then able to spit out what was found in Data Cloud. Then from there, the employee asks if the agent can predict this year's Q1 cost based on the previous 4 years of data using the margin of error from the predictive analysis paper. And Agentforce was able to do that all in a matter of seconds. All right, so let's dive a little bit deeper. So first, you can see that we have our data lake object that we created that has all of our data for Majesty Logistics. And we've already mapped fields from the data source into pre-existing fields that exist within Salesforce. Using those maps, we were able to create a flow. And then with the flow, we were able to create an agent action within our very handy, let me show you over here, very handy procurement service agent. This flow comes into effect with the cost per full truckload prediction topic. This topic is entirely related to answering questions from within the data lake object. So we told it that that's what its scope was. We ensured that when it does averages, that it makes sure that the answers are in dollar format, that it looks at the certain output variables that we hard coded into the flow for each of the years. And we made sure that when it comes time to do predictions, that it utilizes the margin of error percentage that I'll show you that was in the predictive analytics PDF in a bit. And then we also included some example user inputs. So that's Data Cloud. The next thing that we did was we uploaded a knowledge article, which was predictive analysis PDF. And this is basically a substitute for Einstein AI or any other predictive analysis tool. From there, we were able to basically chunk this out. So it's in search index. It's here, and it's able to read the PDF. And then what we were able to do is we were able to use our agent to not create a new topic, but utilize an existing topic, general FAQ, that with a couple new instructions, one that looks at knowledge articles and the other that finds the answer in the specific data cloud where the file is located, it is able to query information from that PDF. And then from there, using both of those combined, the agent is able to take information from both sources and combine them together to create an all-in-one solution.
And that's how Majesty Logistics seamlessly connected their Einstein AI model and data cloud using Agentforce and Experience Cloud. Shout out to the Infinity and Beyond team for creating this agent at the Hackathon NYC event.